Mullein, scientifically known as Verbascum thapsus, is a plant native to Europe, Asia, and North Africa. It belongs to the Scrophulariaceae family and has a long history of use in herbal medicine. Mullein is recognized for its unique appearance and various medicinal benefits. Mullein has a rich history of traditional use dating back thousands of years. It has been utilized by different cultures worldwide. Native Americans, for instance, used mullein to address respiratory issues, while ancient Greeks and Romans utilized it for its soothing properties. Mullein is a biennial plant that can grow up to 6 feet tall. It features large, fuzzy leaves and tall flowering spikes with yellow flowers. The plant is notable for its soft, woolly texture, which serves as protection against insects and extreme temperatures. Mullein offers several potential health benefits, primarily associated with its traditional uses for respiratory ailments. Here are some of its key medicinal properties. Respiratory support. Mullein is commonly used to relieve respiratory conditions, such as coughs, bronchitis, asthma, and congestion. It has expectorant properties, helping to promote the expulsion of mucus from the lungs and soothing irritated airways. Soothing effects. The leaves and flowers of mullein contain mucilage, a substance that provides demulcent properties. When consumed or applied topically, mullein can help soothe irritated tissues and provide relief for conditions such as sore throat, dry cough, and inflamed skin. Anti-inflammatory activity. Mullein contains compounds with anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation and alleviate symptoms associated with inflammatory conditions, including arthritis and sinusitis. Ear health. Mullein oil, derived from the flowers, has been used traditionally to address ear infections and earaches. It is believed to have antimicrobial properties and can help relieve pain and inflammation in the ear. Diuretic and urinary tract support. Mullein is known for its diuretic properties, which can promote urine production and help flush out toxins from the body. It may be used to support urinary tract health and alleviate urinary tract infections. Mullein is typically used in the form of teas, tinctures, oils, or poultices. It is generally considered safe when used as directed, but it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional before using it, particularly if you have any pre-existing medical conditions or are taking other medications. While mullein has a history of traditional use and anecdotal evidence supporting its effectiveness, scientific research on its medical benefits is limited. Therefore, it's important to approach mullein as a complementary approach and seek professional medical advice for proper diagnosis and treatment of specific health conditions.